Ayan na, nagsimula na sila. Meron kasi kaming fire alarm test ngayon na mga boss. Kaya for protection sa ating mga tenant, kasi papasok kami sa mga unit, kailangan namin ng ganito. Let's go!
Alright, good morning. I didn't do it. It's working. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. I want to stop, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Morning!
Morning.
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you today? Okay, so 3.
You won't let
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, have a great day.
You
Then, meron isang unit na pumalpak na yung battery. So kailangan natin palitan ng battery ito. Sige mga boss. Dala tayong extra mga boss. You know the hot water
Yeah,
tank,
yeah, yeah,
there's a
relief
relief
bulb,
bulb.
yeah.
The guy who installed the relief bulb or the tank, they don't put the tube pipe going to the drain. So it's first time it happened though.
Yeah.
Did you hear the fire
I
alarm?
don't speak English.
Oh, don't speak it.
You heard this?
You hear the sounds?
Come, would you? Boop, 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 boop.
Oh yeah. She hear it.
Okay, one more.
Bishallah. Bishallah.
Pishala?
Oh. Did you hear that it's beeping?
Which one? I heard that's beeping.
No, but the bat is that. That's what I have to. Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Good day.
Hi.
Checking your fire alarm.
We are
Oh.
smoke alarm test.
Sure.
I got it. Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, hi, checking the fire alarm, okay?
Yeah.
You heard this one, yeah? You heard the fire alarm this morning?
Oh, I can hear them all, yeah. I love music to my ears.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
You okay? You crying?
No,
No?
no.
Okay. Can we
You
come
wanna
in?
come in?
Yeah, checking the fire alarm, okay, mom?
Check the fire alarm.
Oh, that's for the...
Beeping, yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Oh, you miss me.
Yeah.
I miss you
Remember
too.
that one day I called, I wanna talk to you? Mustn't. You did come in.
Thank you.
I think I'm busy.
Are you busy?
You had a Filipina caregiver, eh? You have a Filipina caregiver. The cleaner, I mean the caregiver came here every week? Every 2 times a week?
Yeah, twice.
Twice a week, right?
Tuesday.
It's a Filipina, right?
No, she's not Filipino.
Not Filipina?
No.
Oh,
I can tell you because I don't know.
talk to you later, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Bye. She wants me to visit her every day.
Well, that's good. That's good relationship.
Yeah.
Over here?
This is a renovation apartment. Yeah, this is it.
For the renovation, smoke alarm is down.
Where is it?
I don't know where to put it.
Here. They put it here.
Try it. 25, 2030. Yeah, this is 2030.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Yeah.
Leave it here. Leave it here.
Good relationship because. Come in. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Hi, Joseph. Not bad.
Not bad?
A little cold out there this morning.
It is? Yeah.
You heard this one, yeah? Did you hear this one?
Yeah.
Heard this one?
Yeah, just before, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Bernie.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Ingay man. Ingay.
My only visitor today.
It's waiting for you.
Okay. Good morning. Thank you.
It's open. Hello. Management. We're going in.
Hello.
Nobody. Walang tao mga boss. Ito ang bahay niya. Ah. Hi guys, malapit na kaming matapos. So ilang floor na lang, pang 5 na ito.
You're gonna be big now. That's a nice dog.
I think the guy here is sleeping because he worked during the night. I know. Hello, management. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Watch on the things. He's still sleeping.
Wrong way. You put it the wrong way, Mom. That's why. You put a new battery. Let me try. If that works, you should have a good, better battery. Yeah.
It's a
I set it off on my phone. I'll show you. 1 minute.
Yeah. Good job, robot cleaner.
I still do like my scrubbing and everything because I'm fussy. Hold on. Oh, no. No, I'm missing off. Okay. I'll show you how it's set on my phone.
It's connected to your phone.
So I could be at work and I could set it off, but I don't because of the cats. So it's connected here. So it'll tell me I could stop it.
Uh-huh.
I could stop it like right now.
Oh, it stopped.
Yeah.
Good job.
Or I can restart it, right?
Yeah.
And I can restart it. I can do other things. I wanted to get to work.
Good toy. Good toy. Good toy.
I just, you know what, like, I set it off like at least once a week just to get the cat hair and everything. But it just goes through. Like, I still mop it.
This is Harvey, our technician for today.
Yeah.
And
Not for tomorrow.
Every year, not tomorrow. Next year is gonna come back again
Because
to bugging people, making noise.
wake everybody up. That's his job.
Yeah. There's nobody here. Hello. It's not here. Okay. That's good.
That's number 7.
Nobody there, Harvey. She's in the hospital.
Oh yeah? Probably.
No. Okay.
Apartment done?
Apartment done. We're good now.
Yeah. Laundry room open?
Laundry room. You have a key. You have a fob.
Yeah, she gave
You
me.
can get in there.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'll come later, yeah.
So we're good.
We're good, yeah. Thank you very much, I appreciate it, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Done, yeah.
We're done. Apartment done.
Okay.
Okay. Another fruit?
No, I'm changing my mother's dress.
Mother's Day? We go down.
I'm going to.
Yeah. I can, you going down?
No, I'm going.
Hey guys. Tapos na tayo mag-inspect sa mga unit, no? Pero may gagawin pa sila sa mga common area. Hindi na ako sasama doon kasi binigyan ko na sila ng susi para na sila na lang makapasok. Ang importante lang kasi yung mga unit. So, tapos na tayo. Ito nga yung uniform ko. Isang gamitan lang to, tapon na natin. Tapon natin.